Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a sweet, tangy bitter gourd recipe which can be enjoyed with roti or paratha, and it is not at all bitter. Bitter gourd is very nutritious, excellent blood purifier which makes it good for people with diabetes and for people who want to have a clear skin. What I have done, I have taken the bitter gourd and cut it into chips like structure. I have not peeled it off, I have only removed the seeds which were hard, and I have added salt to it and kept it overnight. And in the morning, what we will do, we will squeeze this bitter gourd with the help of our hands and we will squeeze out the extra water. Doing this step will make the bitter gourd not that bitter. Basically, it removes the kadwahat of the bitter gourd. Put a little pressure and remove the excess water. Now you will see this much amount of water has been removed. Now it's time to wash the bitter gourd. Wash it thoroughly with the help of water and a sieve. Take a kadhai and add mustard oil. Let the mustard oil heat to a very high point. Actually, one thing I would like to suggest here, take a kadhai which has a heavy bottom as it takes a lot of time to cook. Now we are going to add a pinch of asafoetida and cumin seeds. Let them crackle and add bitter gourd to it. We are not going to add any masala. Firstly, we will cook the bitter gourd to 50%. Then we are going to add the rest of the masala that I will show you later in the video. Now just give it a good mix and cover and cook it for an approx 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will see they are almost half cooked. To check whether they are half cooked or not, take a spoon and see whether it can be cut into two or not. If it is not, then stir it and again cover and cook for some more minutes. Now we are going to add a dry masala. First the turmeric, then we are going to add coriander powder to it. And then we are going to add black pepper. Turmeric, black pepper go hand in hand. If you don't know, then you can watch my video. I'll put the link in the description box. Next, I'm going to add the red chili powder. Now it's time to add SAUNF or fennel seed to it. Believe me, it gives a good taste to the bitter gourd. This is one masala which I would suggest please add to it, and the second one is AMCHOR. Add a little high amount of AMCHOR as it will give that tangy flavor to your bitter gourd. Now give it a good mix and cover and cook for about 10 minutes more. Now after 10 minutes, we'll open it. You can see it has become a little crispy. Now we are going to add washed raisins into it. This will act as a sweet part of your bitter gourd and give it a sweet taste. And this way your children will also eat it. Believe me, try it with them. Give them with the paratha. They will love the taste. Sweet, tangy, bitter. You'll try with them. And if you are someone who doesn't like bitter gourd, try this recipe out. You will fall in love with it. And do let me know in the comment section how it turned out to be. Now our bitter gourd is ready to serve. You can serve along with roti, paratha and enjoy this recipe. I hope to see you all in my next video, and I thank all of you for watching this video. Do like and share the video with your family and friends. And if you want to see more recipes which are simple, good to go and healthy, then subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button which is there, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye. Stay healthy and blessed.